Namaste, hello, and welcome to day 10. My name is Yogini. Now, I am aware that this video is starting very abruptly. I have a reason for that. The camera failed me. It just stopped recording at some point, and I did not realize that until I saw it much later, and which is why I had to just scrap out that whole part of me sketching this bicycle. But I'm going to include a link from where you can download the PDF of this sketch, the bicycle doodle, the bicycle design, the bicycle sketch. You can use it as a reference image and maybe draw your own version of the bicycle. We are going to doodle and paint a cute bicycle with a flower basket and some balloons. For this drawing, for today's video, I'm using watercolors. So I'm going to speed up this part where I'm painting the bicycle. I'm just using a violet color. You can use any color of your choice, and I'm also using black grayish colors for the tires and the handles. Now I move on to paint the flower basket. I'm going to just dab my brush around to make the flowers. Again, you can pick any color of your choice. I'm basically using the colors that are left in my mixing palette, and I'm just going to randomly dab around and giving an impression of loose florals. I'm also going to use different shades of greens for different leaves, just to add some more color and for the leaves to not look same. Now when the first layer of watercolors is dried, I'm going to again dab around with my brush to darken certain areas, so that it kind of adds depth, to give an impression that some flowers are in the foreground and some are in the background. You want to make sure that the first layer dries. The first layer has dried completely before adding the next layer, so that the colors don't run into each other, they don't mix, and they stand out as you want them to. will then move on to paint the basket. With the wet brush, I'm just going to cover the surface of the basket. And I start painting with a brown color for the basket. I'm using a brown here. Again, I'm not sure exactly which brown is this, because I'm using the colors that are left in my mixing palette. I'm going to add some more color at the bottom and at the bottom of this basket, and also under the leaves and flowers, just to give the shadow effect. I want to add some balloons to this sketch, to this drawing. So I will just outline it very lightly with the pencil first. This looks nice, so I'm going to keep this. I will erase off the pencil markings because I cannot erase this later once I use the watercolors over it. Again, I'm just going to wet the surface first before adding the colors. I'll speed up this part of the video as well. I have another video on this channel for the balloon painting. If you wish to refer to that, please check the channel or the link above. I decided to add some more leaves and brighter flowers to the flower basket as I waited for the watercolor on the balloon to dry. Once it was dry, once the first balloon was dry, I painted the second balloon with the same process. I used my fine tip pen to draw the strings of the balloon. I find it more comfortable to use the fine tip pen for such details. creates the cute bicycle with flower basket doodle. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you do give it a try. Please do check the description below to find the details of the 30-day video challenge that this video is a part of, and also to find the link to download the PDF of this bicycle. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.